How to cancel an order in Macy's before it ships. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Macy's page on your device. After that, simply scroll down to the bottom and click on Order Lookup. After you find Order Lookup, it will lead you to this page. Here you'll find View Your Purchase History. There, you'll find all your orders, even the recent ones. And after you find the order you want to cancel, simply click on it. After you click on it, at the bottom you will find Cancel. And if you are eligible, you'll find Cancel button, and you will need to select a reason why you want to cancel it. And if it's shipped, you won't be able to cancel. So make sure you see there it is shipped or not. And after you do that, you can cancel, select the reason for cancellation, and you're good to go. This is how to cancel an order in Macy's before it ships. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.